the next recipe, I'll use cream cheese, and I'll make this cream cheese at home and take the opportunity to teach you how to make it. And here, have 5 tablespoons of distilled vinegar ready. Here, let's start with 1 liter of milk. It's whole milk, and turn on the heat. Here it's almost boiling. Once it starts to boil and the milk begins to rise, just turn it off. Be careful not to let it spill. Just a little more. Now it's starting to rise. Just turn it off. Let's remove this cream that forms on top. We add the vinegar. And mix it. See how it's already changed? And after a minute, let's separate the whey from the cheese. A strainer. Put everything in here. The whey stayed down here. Give it a little stir here to get out the bit of whey that stayed here. That's good enough. And here I'm going to use this so-called hand blender, but you can use a regular blender too. 2 tablespoons of butter. This one is unsalted, but you can use salted butter too. Just a little bit of salt and a little bit of milk. We'll adjust it later. Both the salt and the milk depend on the texture you like. Some people prefer it firmer, others softer. I'm going to close it. Let's see how it turned out. We still need to add a little more milk because after we put it in the fridge, it will get a bit thicker. Just a little bit more. And mix it again. Here, this consistency is already great. If you want to add a little more, you can, but I like it a little thicker. I like this firmer texture, so I'll keep it. I'm going to use this glass, which kind of looks like a cream cheese glass. And you can adjust the salt as well. If it's missing, you can add a little more. It depends on each person. Put everything in. Now just cover it and put it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Here, I left it in the fridge for about 3 hours. And just look at how creamy it gets. It gets really creamy, really soft. If you leave it in the fridge longer, it will get even creamier. Make it at home because it's better than buying it.